Hi guys, BMW 2002, sitting here for more than 10 years, and unfortunately it's very hard to restore. Most of car's component destroyed during these years. The roof is maybe one day I'm going to wake it up, but it's very hard. Let's see the engine and what's inside. Oh, the engine is completely in good situation as it seems. All parts available. Maybe one day, maybe. Really sanguine. It's my drift car, and about 9 years ago I can't sell it. I have a lot of memory with it. Beautiful 2002. I bought a lot of decorative part for it, and I have a plan to restore it, but I don't know if it's possible or not, because it's very rusty and sitting more than 10 years here. Let's see the other side of the car, and as you see, it's very hard project to restore. Maybe one day I'm going to restore it if I can. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Maybe I start it one day. Goodbye, my 2002.